Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sophie Nujia from DT3 Network 2. Today, I and my group members will be present about data structure, which is mini project. Okay, this is my group members, Izzati Hanani binti Rasid and Yusliza binti Yusuf Latab. If you can see, this is our table of content. Okay, I will proceed for the question 1 Roman, which is recognize and produce the output of the code segment in figure A. So, this is the coding we have fixed what was wrong. After we fix the coding, a new output will be out like a picture here. For the question 1 Roman is, based on the output from question 1 Roman, transform the output into linked list diagram based on the statement below. If you can see, this is a linked list diagram. First, insert number 25 between node 2 and 3. Second, delete node 2. Third, insert number 50 in first node. Other than that, delete the last node, and lastly, delete the first node. That's all for question 1. I will proceed for the question 2. For question 2 is using the answer from question 1 to Roman E. Convert the answer from linked list to stack name SOXO with size 4 and assemble the statement below. First, pop 40. Second, pop 25. Next step, push 33. Then push 55. After that, push 88. For the point F, 99 cannot be pushed. This is because the stack is overflow. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Thank you, Safi Nujiha. Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Izzati Hanani and my metric number 25DDT21F1063. I will explain how to solve the problem in question number 3. So, what question number 3 need? Question number 3 need to show step for circular queue implementation based on statement and write a suitable code to perform NQ and DQ operation. So, let's move to our solution in question number 3. First step, we need to create circular queue. The size we need is 8 and starting index with 0 until 7. For circular queue, we have front and rear. The front is 0 because do not have any data for the question 1, and the rear is negative 1 because rear has no data. That's why rear size is negative 1. For the count is 0 because no data inside the queue. Next, for question B, insert the NQ tag. The front is 0 because data 10 start with index 0. Next, here is 0 because the data 10 ended with 0. And then the count is 1 because in the data queue only one data. Next, for question C, we need insert the NQ20. The front is 0 because data 10 start with index 0. Next, here is 1 because data 20 ended with index 1. And then the count is 2 because there are 2 data in the data circular queue. For question D, we need DQ the data 10 because the concept is FIFO, first in, first out. That's why delete the data at the front. So the front and rear is 1 because data 20 start and ended at index 1, and the count is 1 because the data circular queue only one data. For question number E, we need insert the data 30. The front is 1 because data 20 start with index 1. Next, here is 2 because data 30 ended index 2. And then the count is 2 because there are 2 data in the circular queue. So this is the command based on answer question number 3. First, we need to write preprocessor directive to read through our source code, which include iOS stream using namespace std. Then write your data type, which is integer q is 8 and integer real front and size. For NQ10, 20. Then DQ10, and the last one is NQ30. We need type the command like this. To see the output, we need to run the program. So that's all for my part. Next slide, I will pass to Yusliza to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Izzati. Assalamualaikum. My name is Yusiza. Next, for the question 4 is, based on the output above, you are required to manipulate the data in pre based on employee information. Then traverse the tree using pre-order, in-order, and post-order. Okay, this is a question for the question 4. So the answer is for the root falls on Amita. Next for Haja, it will be on the right side. This is because the letter H for Haja has extended Amita. Next for Somat, it will be below Haja, that's in on the right side. For Mutu, it will be below Somat, is on the left side. For Xiong, it will be under Mutu, which is on the right side. For Krishna, it will be under Mutu, which is on the left side, while for Fazli, it will be under Haja, which is on the left side because the letter F for Fazli is located before the letter H for Haja. Next, for Aina, will be next to Amta. This is because the letter A for Aina is the same as Amta. Lastly, is for Zura, it will be under the Somat on the right side. Next, we go to pre-order, in-order, and post-order. To make a pre-order, you need to follow the gift formula, which start with the root, left, right, and the answer will be get Amita, Aina, Haja, Fazli, Somat, Mutu, Krishna, Xiong, Zura. For in order, the formula is left, root, right, and the answer will be get Aina, Amita, Fazli, Haja, Krishna, Mutu, Xiong, Somat, Zura. And lastly is post order. The formula is left, right, root, and the answer will be get Aina, Fazli, Krishna, Xiong, Mutu, Zura, Somat, Haja, Amita. Next, we're going to question 5. The question 5 is from the answer pre-order in question 4. For A, find Mutu using linear searching. B, find Amita using binary searching. For 5A and 5B will be use the answer from the pre-order in question 4. So, write the list of the names of the pre-order and write the number index for all the names in the list. Okay. The first is set target, that is a Mutu. Second, for index 0, Amita, it is not the same as Mutu, then the symbol will be right. Next, index 1, Aina, it is not the same as Mutu, then the symbol will be right. For the third, for the fourth, Haja, for index 2, it's not the same as Mutu, and the symbol will be right. For index 3, Fazli, it is not the same as Mutu, then the symbol will be right. For index 4, Somat, it not the same as Mutu, then the symbol will be right. For the index 5, Mutu, it same Mutu, and the symbol will be right, is equal. And the lastly, target found at index 5. For 5B, we use the answer from the pre-order in question 4. So, write the list of the names of the pre-order and write the number index for all the names. The next step is add the index number, which is 0 plus 8, and divide by 2. The answer must be rounded, which is a 4. If it finished, make a line according to the number icons earlier, then cross or delete the part that does not have Amita names. For the second step is use the same method for the second step. Calculate the number index, which is 0 plus 4, and divide by 2. Then the answer after rounding will be get 2. Divide by list of name according to my calculation, easy, and cut or delete the part that does not have Amita names. Sekali. Okey. Ini saya sebut. Ada sekali. For the third step, use the same method, which is add the number 0 and 2 and divide by 2. Then the answer you will get after reading is 1. Delete the part without Amita names. The last is calculate the index, which is add 0 by 1 and divide by 2. Then the answer after rounding will get 0.5 or 0. And the answer will be get is Amita found at index 0. That's all for me. Thank you.